Welcome back to AI Papers of the Day, where we dive into the latest groundbreaking research in artificial intelligence. I'm your host, and today we've got three remarkable papers that are pushing the boundaries of AI. Are you ready to get into it? Let's jump right in. Our first paper comes from the innovative team at Purdue. They have embarked on a project that challenges the capabilities of GPT-4 with their fine-tuned large language models. And get this, they evaluated 310 fine tuned models across 31 different tasks. Try to imagine the scale of that for a second. If you don't know what low rank adaptation or LoRa is, let me fill you in. It's a method that enhances model efficiency by reducing the number of trainable parameters and memory usage. Think of it like a turbo boost for AI models without needing a supercomputer to run them. By introducing low rank matrices to the existing layers of frozen model weights, they achieved performance levels akin to full fine tuning, but with way fewer resources. One standout feature is LoRaX, an open source inference server. This nifty tool allows for the simultaneous use of numerous models by leveraging shared base weights and dynamic adapter loading. Picture running multiple high performance models on a single GPU. The results were nothing less than impressive. These LoRa based fine tuned models not only outperformed their base versions, but on average exceeded GPT-4's performance by 10 points across various tasks. It's like beating the teacher at their own game. So, what do you think? Could this be the future of efficient AI fine tuning? Next up, let's talk about something crucial: understanding AI. Researchers from University of Catalana, University of Groningen, and FAIR Meta have dived deep into the interpretability of transformer-based language models. Ever wondered what's going on inside these AI brains? Well, this paper offers some fascinating insights. They categorized various methods to explain model behavior, such as input attribution and model component attribution. Input attribution methods like gradients and perturbations estimate token importance. And on the other hand, model component attribution looks at contributions from different parts of the model, such as attention heads or neurons. It's like having a map of the AI's thought process. But that's not all. They also explored advanced techniques like circuit analysis and causal interventions. Circuit analysis identifies interacting components within the model, helping researchers understand how different parts of the network work together to produce outputs. Their findings highlight the importance of these methods in improving model transparency and trustworthiness. By providing a detailed examination of these interpretability techniques, the researchers contribute significantly to evolving a landscape of AI interpretability. So, what do you think? Does this make you trust AI a bit more? Lastly, we have some exciting news from NVIDIA AI. They have introduced Nemo Aligner, a tool designed to enhance the alignment of large language models with human preferences using reinforcement learning. If you're into making AI more intuitive and human like, this one's for you. Nemo Aligner optimizes the entire reinforcement learning from human feedback pipeline. It makes the process more accessible and efficient, like a well oiled machine. It leverages NVIDIA's NEMO framework to optimize various stages of the RLHF pipeline, from supervised fine tuning to reward model training and proximal policy optimization. One key innovation is the dynamic balancing of workloads among data parallel workers during PPO. These leads to significant performance improvements in training efficiency. Imagine cutting down training times by up to 7 times with TensorRT LLM integration. That's a game changer. Nemo Aligner supports training models with as many as 70 billion parameters, highlighting its scalability and performance. It's also highly adaptable, integrating various alignment algorithms, which ensures models can be fine tuned to produce helpful and safe responses aligned with human expectations. By addressing the challenges of scalability and performance head on, Nemo Aligner improves training efficiency and ensures that models can be fine tuned to produce helpful and safe responses. And that's a wrap for today's episode of AI Papers of the Day. I hope you enjoyed exploring these cutting edge research papers with us. From fine tuning LLMs to enhancing interpretability and advancing reinforcement learning, AI is continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in AI research. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the fascinating advancements shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. And which paper intrigued you the most today? Let us know in the comments below.